So in this video, we are going to get started on our Laravel polling app. So first we can go to the Laravel documentation, and you can see that there are a couple of options to create a Laravel project. So here it's a Laravel sail option, and then there's a couple of options. So the first one is the Laravel sail, and there's also the installation via Composer one. You can also use Composer to install it. So we are going to use Composer to install Laravel in this video. So if you haven't already installed Composer, go to getcomposer.org, and then here you just need to download it. Once you've downloaded, you can go back to this page, and then here there are two options to create your project. So right here, it's a good option. These are, but this is a little long. You need to say Composer create project Laravel / Laravel app name every time. But here is another way you can do it with globally. So you can do it globally by installing this Laravel installer. So you will have this Laravel command right here. So we're going to copy this, and then in your terminal we're going to paste it and then run it. So I've already installed it, so I'm not going to install it 2 times. So go ahead and run that, and then now we can, down below, we can see to create a new project, we just need to say Laravel new and then our app name. So in our terminal, we can say Laravel new polling app, and then we can press enter, and then it will be creating a project called polling app. So just wait a minute for it to execute. Okay, so it's finished executing. Now we can see that we've got this directory polling app. So we can cd into this directory, and then now we can to run the server, we just need to say php artisan serve. So once you run this command, you will start a development server at port 8000. So I'm going to go to this URL right here, and then here you can see that the default index page for Laravel. Okay, so we've got our project installed right now, so we can just figure out how to print a simple hello world right here. So we can go to our text editor, and then I prefer Atom for my text editor, and you can open your folder, this polling app you've created right here. So now you'll see all these different files. So you won't need to worry about all these different files. So the only files we will look at right now is the roots and the blade templates. Okay, so basically it's the roots is just gets a URL, and then it returns a view, and then that view will be the thing that's displayed on this web page. So we can go to our roots directory and then go to web.php. There's lots of files like api.php, these, but we don't need to worry about them now. We just need to care about this web.php. So once you've gone in the web.php, you can see a single root down here. So you'll see that once it gets this root URL, So if I go to Chrome, you can't see it, but there is actually a / right here, which is the root directory. And once it gets this, it will return a function, and then the function will return the view welcome. So where are views? So if we look in the resources, and then we can see a directory called views. And in that views directory, you can see a file called welcome.blade.php. Okay, so here is what shows up for this view. So if you see here, this is the exact same thing that shows up on this web page. So this file is what you see right here. So if we can just delete all of these, and then we can put a header that says hello world, and then close it. And then when we go back to our Chrome, we need to refresh it, and then we can see this hello world printed out here. Okay, so that's how it works. We can also now create a new root. So we can copy this code and then paste it down below. So here we are going to get like, if we have a login script, we can get maybe the login URL right here, and then the view can be login. So here we need to create a view called, so new file, and then called login.blade.php. So remember to include this blade.php extension. So this is just a blade template. Okay, so press enter, and then inside you can put anything you want. Maybe I'll just put a header login right now. Okay, and then now when we go back to Chrome, and then here in this URL bar, we can type in login. We'll see this login right here, this header outputted to us. Okay, and then so that's basically a good start on our app. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye.